Hello everyone, today we will talk about ArrayList. What is ArrayList? ArrayList is a non-generic collection of objects. What does it mean non-generic? Non-generic means a specialized class for data storage and retrieval that provides support for stacks, queues, lists, and hash table. In our previous video we talked about array, and there are a few differences between array and ArrayList. If you want to use array, you must include system namespace, while in ArrayList, you must include system collections. In array, you can store a fixed number of elements, while in ArrayList, you don't need to specify the size. And array is a strongly typed. What does it mean strongly typed? This means that the array can store only specific type of elements or items, while in ArrayList, you can store any type of items or element. In this video, you will learn a lot of ArrayList methods and properties. So let's start. So here in our example, first thing first, we must add the system collections namespace, this one. Okay, so that our ArrayList will be available. And now we are ready to create ArrayList. So how to create ArrayList? Just type array list and the name of the variable. Let's have array val equals new and then array list, and don't forget semicolon to terminate. At this point we created ArrayList name array val. So how to add a value on our array? So let us use a method called add method. So to add a value is, let us use array name, which is array val dot add and semicolon, and then we'll, for example, 5. Okay, and then let's have add another value, that val add, and let's have 2. Okay, and another value, array val that add, let's have 6. Okay, not only integers, but we can also add another type like string and double. So let's add some string. Okay, array val dot add, and let's have, this is string. Okay, so let's have another one, array val dot add, and let's have 15.2. okay, 15.2. okay, this is how to add data, and no need to specify the data type when you add. So let us print this one into our console. Let us use for loop. So for each, and then var items, and then the array name, array val. Okay, array val, and then let us console that right line, and let us print the item. Okay, and don't forget the semicolon. Let us save and run. Oh, we have an error. Sorry. Okay, so we forgot to put a semicolon. Let us clear first so that you can see. Okay, and let us put semicolon and let us run. Oops, run. Okay, so here is the output: 5, 2, 6, this is string, and 15.2. Notice that we add a single item or elements. What if we add 100 items? So we do it over and over again, so it's time consuming. However, ArrayList have a method of range, add range. To add range is just simply the array name is array like array val that add range and the parentheses, and of course we have to instantiate new and then the array list and parentheses. So we have to add inside the curly brace, like for example 25, and then ray, string ray, and let's have 20 and 15. So this is how to add an array. Okay, and then let us run. Okay, here is the output. Notice that if we add or add range, it will add it to the last item. But what if we want to add in the specific position? In that case, insert method is the solution. So let us use insert method. Let us set array val and then that insert, and let us put in a second position. So base 0 and let us 1 means the second position because it is 0 base, and then let us add 100. Okay, so semicolon, save and run, and here we go. We can see our 100 in the second position. Again, to insert in the specific position, 1 means the position and 100 is the value that you want to insert. Let's take another example and let us copy, and we have to edit, put in position of 8, and let us put a string jagger, or just jag, jag. Okay, let us run, and here we are, ray jag. So let us count from 5. 5 is index 0, so 0, 100 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ray is in 7th position, in index 7, and jag is in 8, index 8. So that's how to insert data in ArrayList. Not only insert, but there is also a remove method. So let us remove items. So let us array the array val that remove. Okay, and let us remove this is string. Okay, save and run. So now remove string, not this one already removed. Okay, not remove. But how about if you want to remove a couple of items? Not only to remove single items, but there is also remove range. Okay, array bounded range, for example from 0 or from 1, 2, and 3. So from here, from 100 to 2 and 3. Okay, those items will be removed. Okay, so let us save and run. So now item here, this one removed. Now 5 and 15. So 5 and then 15. There is also remove at, like this. array call that remove at index. For example, let us remove this jack 0 1 2 3 4, so index 4, so that's 4. Okay, and save and run here. So now remove. Okay, let's delete this one and run again. So here you can sort also things. Array let sort. Okay, let's run. So what's the problem here? You cannot sort the items if the data type is different. So let us remove some items. So 1 2 3 3, save. There's still double type, so let us remove the item double. Let us delete first the sort method so that you can see the output unsorted. Run, and here you can see 5, 15.2, 25, 20, and 15. So okay. Now all here, and let us save and run. Now it is sorted. That is how to sort an array list. However, it's not only to sort ascending order, but you can also sort in descending order. In that way, we will use a reverse method. So to do that, let us use array val that reverse. Okay, so let us run, save and run. So the output is 25 down to 5. In ArrayList methods, there is also method named contains. Contains. So what is that? Contains is a method to check whether specified elements exist in the array list or not. So what's the output of this one? The output is it will return true if exists, otherwise false. So how to do that? So let us print in our console. So let us console that right line, and we do the $sign, and let us print, like for instance 15 exists in array list. So let us put our okay, so name of the array that contains, okay, contains, and then the value that you want to see. Okay, so let us save and run. So look, so 15 exists in the array list, so the answer, this one is true because 15 is here. See, 15 is here. And false, it will return false if not exist. So for instance, let's have 7. So 7 here, and save and run. See, 7 exists in the array list. That is false because there is no 7 in our list. Okay, so not only it contains, but there is also method, clear method. So what is that? Clear. So how to use that? How to use clear method? Just simply the array value. Array val that clear. Okay, that's simple. What does it mean? It removes all the elements in the array list. Okay, so if you print that, so like this one, save and so no more. Okay, for example, let us remove this one. Let us remove. Okay, so and also this one, let us or let us put here. Sorry. Okay, put this one, and here, let's put here, and okay, save. See, now it prints all here, and copy and paste here. Okay. So what happened? First, it will print all the items, and here it was clear and will not, and they clear everything here. They clear everything here, and nothing must print. Nothing will print. Okay. Save and run. So here 5 until 15 and nothing will print. So let us print some console here. Let us print nothing. All elements was cleared. Okay, save and run. So here, so all was printing here, and then it was clear, and now only this was print. All element was cleared. So okay, so that's how to use clear. Okay, so what else? Now I will give you two ArrayList properties. So first is the count. What does it mean, count? So let us erase this one first. Okay, so array that or array val that count, or let's say console that right line. Okay, that's for example array val that count. save. Let us clear first. Okay, so let's run. And here the count is 9. Why? This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so 9 count. So that's why it's here, it's 9. And there is also properties like console. Let's copy this one. Okay, run that capacity. So the capacity, see the capacity. The capacity is 16. What is count and what is capacity? So the count is to get the number of elements actually contained in the array list. So what is that? So as you have noticed, this is 9. So this is the number of element contained in the array list array value. This is our array list name. Okay, while the capacity is to get or sets the number of elements that the array list can contain. So why it is 16? Capacity start from 4. Let's see like this. Save. Let us run. What is the capacity of this? The capacity is 4. See, the capacity is 4. The capacity starts from 4, and when the items in the array list more than 4, it will add the capacity into 8. See, let's try. Let's have 1 2 3 4. So we have 5 number. Okay, so we have an element of 5, and expectedly that we have 8 capacity. Let's run, and here we are, 5 and capacity of 8. And let's have more example. What if 8, and then when the item exists into 8 elements, so it will become 16, like this. 5 and okay, so this is item 10. Save and run. Okay, here 10, so this is 6, and so on and so forth. 16, 32, I mean 16, 32, 64, and so on. That's how capacity will work. It will add. At this point, you know ArrayList and their properties and methods, and few of their properties and methods are not been tackled here, and it's your time to do your assignment. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.